Got a broken furnace or broken air conditioner? There's never a good time to need HVAC repairs in Boise, Idaho, but when you do, you need it now. Are you hearing loud noises or strange smells from your home HVAC system? That's not right. Are you noticing your energy bills increasing? That's got to stop. Our clients are pleasantly surprised at how quickly we can respond to their needs. Whether it's a simple furnace repair, a complete air conditioning replacement, or just a minor adjustment, we are confident we can get your home back to normal in no time. As a full-service HVAC contractor serving Boise and surrounding areas, we repair all major brands of heating and cooling equipment, and we always give you options. Our team of trained technicians are prepared to handle just about any heating and cooling repairs, including furnace repair, heat pump repair, ductless heat pump repair, air conditioner repair. Don't forget about our Comfort Club. We deliver insane value and provide a great way to stay ahead of any heating and cooling issues. Choose a monthly or yearly membership to enjoy great benefits and peace of mind. Go to bed comfortable knowing that when you need furnace, heat pump, or air conditioning repairs, they'll be handled by Boise's leading HVAC repair company. Get the Peppy Promise. Call 208-906-6928 today.